What's up, monster makers? My name is Shar and I'm a professional special effects makeup artist. Today I'm going to be showing you about my process for cleaning and sanitizing my tools. Stay tuned, and if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them down below. Okay, so we're going to start off with getting all our supplies laid out. Everything I'm using today will be listed in the description below. I'm going to start out with my Cinema Secrets makeup brush cleaner, and I'm going to get any excess debris off the brush that's on there from application. Next, I'm going to go with my Narrative Cosmetics brush cleaner. First, I'm going to wet the brush, and then I'm going to lather it up and swirl it in the soap. I'll take the lid of the brush cleaner and then swirl the brush inside the lid. Rinsing and repeating again if I need more soap. Once the water is clear, you know you finished with this step. Now I'm patting it dry to get any excess water out of the brush. For this next step, I like to take 70% alcohol and clean the outside of my brushes. This may not be necessary, but I find that you can never be too clean, and this gives the brushes a nice polished look. For the last step, I'll leave my brushes out flat to dry. I also like to use from time to time this nifty brush holder. It allows for my larger brushes to maintain the integrity of their shape while they're drying. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a nice day.